Hello students of Standard 6th. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same topic, the helpful young man. Before proceeding further, let us quickly recapitulate what we studied in our previous session. The young man roamed aimlessly. One day, as he was passing through a forest, he noticed a black buck. The black buck asked for help as hunters were chasing it. The young man helped him by covering it with grass and leaves. The black buck promised to help him when he was in distress. After some time, the young man heard a cry. He discovered that a jackal was being chased by hunters. He helped it too. The jackal too promised to help him in his hour of need. The young man kept on wandering for many days. He was tired and hungry and wanted to take some rest. So he spotted a strange palace. He decided to go inside the palace and wants to meet its owner. He came to know that the palace belonged to a princess who was very beautiful. She was famous for her magic mirror. She could see everything in it. She had declared that she would marry the man who could evade his reflection in the magic mirror, but he would be beheaded if traced in the mirror. The young man saw human skulls of many young men who had failed in this adventurous task, but he was not afraid at all. He went to the princess without any fear and accepted the challenge. Now, the princess said, "As you have come, you know all the conditions." The young man replied, "Yes." So she ordered him to hide himself tonight. Her voice was very sharp as double-edged dagger. At night, the young man went to the seashore and called the fish for help. The fish was ready to help him. He hid him in his stomach and went deep into the ocean. The princess took up the mirror and she rotated in every direction. At last, she succeeded in tracing the young man. In morning, when the young man came back, she told him his hiding place. Now, he was knowing that he would be beheaded. But the princess paused for a moment and said, "You appear to be an interesting person." So she gave another chance to the young man. This time the young man went to the woods, means forest, and called the buck for help. The buck heard the whole story and said to sit on his horns and he will take to the remote hills. Next day again, the princess told him that he was hiding in the hills. Again the princess gave one more chance, but it was the last chance of the young man. He returned to the forest and called for Jackal and narrated his sad story. Jackal said, "Don't worry." And he called all his fellow jackals, and within no time there were hundreds of jackals all around. The jackal had plans. They proposed that the young man should hide himself under the prince's bed. How could he reach there without the knowledge of princess? This was the next question. So they planned to make a tunnel. Its one end should be right under the bed of the princess. The plan was executed immediately, and the young man was right under her bed. The princess woke up and she took out her mirror in her hand and tried to rotate. But to her surprise, she could not trace the young man. She repeated the process number of times, but all in waste. At last, she got sick of this job and she smashed the mirror against the lamp post and said, I have lost the game. Come out, young man. The next moment, as soon as the princess said this, the young man came out from under the bed. The princess was surprised at his intelligence. She accepted her defeat and she agreed to marry him. And from thereafter, the young man lived with his wife happily ever after. Dear students, here we end the story. Let us quickly recapitulate what we studied today. The young man saw a beautiful princess who had put a condition that she would marry the man who evades his reflection from her magical mirror, and if he failed in doing so, he would be beheaded. The young man sought help from the fish, the buck, and the jackal, whose life he saved. He hid himself right under the prince's bed and fulfilled the condition with the help of jackal. The princess married him and they lived happy ever after. Dear students, based on this lesson, here are some questions for you to solve. Answer the following questions briefly. Next, given below in the boxes is the story you have read in a jumbled form. Rearrange the jumbled sentences and reconstruct the story in your notebook. Also mark the route of the young man's adventurous journey in the map given in next slide. Here are some more questions for you to solve. Why did the princess allow the young man extra chances to hide himself? Life skill. Given below are some adjectives. On the basis of your comprehension of the story, put these in appropriate boxes under suitable characters. You can also add some more adjectives. Dear students, if you don't know the meaning of some words, you can refer dictionary for it. Values. How did the young man's goodness fetch him support in the time of need? Have you ever helped anyone in distress? This task you have to do individually. Writing skill. Imagine yourself to be a minister of a princess. Write a notice informing everyone about the strange condition laid down by the princess for her marriage. Have a nice day, dear students. Thank you.